fast, Chun Chun.
I don't understand you, Chung. This is the right age for you to marry. Your family has a good standing in the community. Even Amon's father doesn't mind if you're a Han. Why haven't you married her yet? Ekun, I'll be honest with you. Since my father died 2 years ago, the family's business has been in a slump, and we've accumulated so many debts. It's my duty to restore my family's wealth. I still can't see why you're postponing the wedding. I don't
want to open the door, family?
Rise together.
Do you two mind saving that talk for after the wedding? Don't worry, Chun Chun. Whatever happens, I'm here for you. Hey, which way did the vice was mentioned?
Just go down this road and turn left after you enter the city gates.
Ekun, it's been so long since we've seen each other. Why don't we
Tropical
celebrate?
storm Dorian.
Hey, now you're talking.
Look, he's swimming. Let's go! Swimming in Tropical Storm Dorian. Look at that. Only at the WESTIN. I mean, he didn't see those things fall. Alright. Look at the dude, son.
What? Oh, yeah.
There are a couple
Why
of
do you
dudes.
do that?
He wanted to swim. They paid $300 something a night, so they're gonna make sure they have their fun.
I'm only one. That was amazing how he handled those
How do
things.
you know?
Try not to stir up trouble and stop following me.
I don't mean to offend, sir. It was destiny that brought us both here. I only wish for you
What do
to
you want?
for you to teach me.
No way.
Don't worry, I know a lot already. I really am very good, you know. Here.
Opening the door of the hotel to experience the storm. You hear that?
Wow, look, son.
Come and look.
Hurry. I'm getting wet.
Tropical storm Dorian.
Ooh, I gotta close it. It's getting way too wet.
Dang people.
What? Oh. You wanna go film out the front?
No.
Yes, you do. You just wanna get up. It's getting worse, you guys. We gotta go look out front. Come on. Let's go, babe. We're gonna go get a video.
No means no.
Wow.
I need to get.
Wow.
Oh, look! Oh, look, all those fell.
Whoa.
Wait, look at that.
Wow.